What is good, chat? What is good? I've been late, chat, today. Kaso lang ako, I had to drive, so I'm a bit late to the party today. But look at the price action. It's so beautiful today. Nice price action. Kailan wala ako, huh? Had a good like sell-off on this 15-minute FVG from open. In hindsight, this is a good work. Especially we had that SMT at news o'clock. And then ito, not sure. In hindsight, I can say na okay, I might have shorted this. You know, but yeah, in hindsight, it's so easy to say that. But yeah, I would say this is one of the A+ setup that happened in a while. Especially, yeah, it's just perfect. Like this PA at market open. I want to say I would have taken it, you know, like all the qualities that I'm looking for a setup is here. Mike, what happened with Mike? All right. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, as I was saying, this is a good PA. Nung nakita ko, oh my god, like this is insane. This is a good PA right now. I've been wanting to see this yesterday, FOMC, but we had a SMT during the news event today. Tapos it sold off basically. Tapos ang ganda rin niya sa 1 minute, like it touched this high end of this for low end of this daily for value gap, right? Meron tayong daily for value gap here. It did touch that, created an order block, tapos nag-sell off, tapos continue sell off. Yeah, I would have probably been able to catch this if I was on this market like ahead of time. Makes me question kung worth it ba yung ginawa ko. Sinundo ko yung girlfriend ko, kasama niya yung friend niya, and ako yung nag-drive pa uwi. So, medyo bago pa kasi yung kotse, so medyo ganado pa ako, no, na ako yung taga-sundo. But, damn, I missed that. Could have been a good PA. Yeah. Do we still have news? Yeah, no more news. I like to think that we're gonna continue to go sell off, but we'll see what the market is gonna do once ES touch this daily for value gap down here. We could trade all the way down dito sa low na to into a volume imbalance. It could also be a Thursday reversal. If you guys know what Thursday reversal looks like, it's gonna basically do the whole opposite of what the weekly candle is. Yeah, medyo nagsisisi ako na hindi ako nag-trade pre-market, especially last 2 days of the month. And then we have good bullish price action going into Monday and Wednesday. I think we can have a good reversal from here. I'm gonna keep on shorting this till the market does not show the willingness it wants to go lower. Grabe, solid tong PA na to. It's been such a good open in my opinion. Like 300 points dump. Oh my god, bro. This is a good volatility. This I've been wanting to look for. Such a good PA, man. Such a good price action today. Insane. Y'all my FOMO, but damn, this I could have gotten all back the losses I've done so far if nakakuha ko the trade na to. This is insane. Super insane price action. So good. Do you still trade? I still do. I still do trade. It depends though if nakakuha na ako. If I was able to get a piece of the pie of this price run, even just this price run, honestly, this price run is enough for me. I would have ended the day if I got that. But damn, this is the volatility I've been wanting to see, you know. But it's just keep selling off, and I know if I start to short here, I'm gonna get wrecked. Damn, insane PA right now. Got, wow, it's still going. For our gap, holy shit. Oh my god, insane. Damn, parang pinagsisiyan ko na. Wala ako in front of my chart earlier. Solid. Never again. Never missing a chart again, chat. Damn, kung kailan wala ako. Seriously? What the hell, bro? Although kahapon I was on a good win, nakapag-comeback ako, chat, on 2K drawdown on my accounts. Then I requested 4K payout on this last payout, and then I have like 20 reserve right now. So if I blew this account, I would have gotten 20 PA again. Mga 50K account this time. But I feel like if I was on the screen like pre-market, if I had a pre-market, in hindsight, I would have, yeah, I would say I would be able to capitalize on this. This is just insane move. 300 points. Just wow. It's a good like PA. Given now we touch on this daily fair value gap that I've been looking for. Tapos it's the last 2 days of the month. After we rally ng Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, this can give some kind of pullback, which is happening right now. Could be reversal as well. Congrats for getting a new car. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate that. Market has already moved 300 points. So basically, this is already the cap of the range. What are the chances that this market is going to move like 200 points more, right? It's very rare to see that market do that, but it can possibly do it. But, you know, should you really do it? Or you wait for higher time frame like retracement? It's still going lower. It's so hard to get in now. Damn. Insane. Insane price run to downside. Do, do, do. Solid. Grabe tong ano na to, Thursday reversal profile. If you guys haven't seen that Thursday reversal profile of ICT, go check it out. It's one of my favorite profiles. Usually may continuation pa to on Friday, which is gonna be tomorrow. So what I'm waiting right now, so makita si ES mag-trade back into this level dito. I want to see ES basically trade above here, and I want to see this like act as resistance, especially itong high end ng daily fair value gap. Ideally we won't have any price above this, so I want to see this like continue to act as breakaway gap, tapos maybe up here we could fill this, but ayokong makita yung ES na mag-trade above this level. Once we trade above this level, maybe it could potentially retrace all the way up dito sa 50%. Nasa sala, dun sa mga damit. Who caught this short, chat? Did you caught this short? Damn, if you guys did, give me some bucks, baby. Give me some. May Discord kayo? Yes, I do have a Discord. You can find it here. Here's the Discord, chat. Solid tong ano. PA today, I like it. I like you, I do. Traded evals, 2 blown. 2 lang, 1 blown, 1 pass. Kaso yung short for evals lang. Real nice. Anong meaning kasi? Mean threshold or consequent encroachment. Basically 50%. I don't know why ICT call it consequent encroachment, but it's just basically 50%. Yun lang ang ibig sabihin niya, 50%. Nothing fancy, that's it. I'm gonna wait, chat. Despite missing this move and a bit annoyed. Like, this is one of my A+, I would say. 15-minute FVG, SMT. We got a good week low down here. Kapon ito yung hinahanap ko na target eh. Itong daily for value gap na to. Yan, this one. Then we got this low. This is so perfect. If I shorted here, if not pag short ako, let's say up here, most likely yung typical is up this level only. Daily for value gap lows at 2600. I'm not probably gonna hold up to this level. We need to see this volatility, chat. Want to see a good volatility. Oo. Tinikman ko. Ito yung gusto kong makita on ES. Once we trade above here, I'll be more interested in taking a short again. Pero for now, we did fill the gap. So, maghihintay muna ako na mag-generate siya ng more liquidity to target. Because right now, medyo alanganin yung target on the downside, right? Because we already took 2 previous day low. If we're gonna continue to the downside, like, what are the chances that we're gonna move 300 points from here? We haven't seen that in Nasdaq on New York na nag-move ng 700 points, right? So you can see 300, 196, 299, 350. So on average, this is already overextended. This is already overextended for a New York session range, right? If you look at the standard deviation, where's the standard deviation? I think we hit the 2 already. So at most, I would say, pwede natin ma-hit itong third standard deviation or maybe even the weekly open. Weekly open at 25,500, but I would say it's more of a PM session already. This is insane, chat. Insane price run. Very interesting. Nahirapan ako mag-hold, fear of trailing drawdown. If nahirapan ka mag-hold because of fear of trailing drawdown, just trail it. To give you an example of a good trailing is, each time na mag-break ng new low, just trail it sa prior bar high, right? If let's say you shorted here, right? You shorted here, each time na mag-break yung candle lower, just trail it above this level, above previous bar high, right? Each time na mag-close, so when is the next close? Down here. So, pwede ka na mag-trail up here. Right? When is the next close? Here. So, pwede ka mag-trail here. Ayan, dito ka ma-stop out. So, each time na mag-create siya ng new low, breaking the previous candle low, pwede kang mag-trail on that candle. Right? So, ganun siya. Pag nag-short ka here, each time na it breaks lower, trail it above that candle high. Kung natatakot ka sa trailing drawdown, that's one way to combat it. Insane. Wow. Insane PA. I like you. I do. Tesla more dump? Yeah, may earnings sila kahapon. I think earnings today is gonna be Apple. I think earnings ni Apple today, if I'm not mistaken, chat. Earnings today ni Apple. If you wanna, by the way, Apex is still 90% off. If you wanna buy some accounts, use my code. Code drone, baby. The best discount. Nahulog kanina. I like you. I do. Do 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 do. Pinil natin yung gap sa ES. We could fill the NQ as well. We're dropping. We're dropping on NQ. Got fill. This is 25742. It's just yung order flow right now. It's selling up so hard. Wonder if this is gonna have some kind of retracement or not. Insane PA. I like it. Like the PA today, chat. It's quite nice. Quite nice PA. Wow, solid though. Still going. Tag 30 seconds after natin mag-take ng high. Oh my god, bro. Insane. Kung kailan wala ako. Oh my god. Sweet PA. Oo yata. Nga pala no. Solid daw. Solid dumping pa din, chat. Masoy. Grabe. Isa to sa mga araw na if you're not trading the 1 minute, it's gonna be hard to enter at 5 or 15, right? So, if hindi ka nag-enter sa 15 minutes on this one, 1 minute is printing. Like, bearish PDRAs on 1 minute are printing right now. It's one of those levels. One of those days na 1 minute is looking good. I need to go as well in few seconds, chat. Kailangan kong pupunta sa bahay. But I'm not gonna end the stream. I just need to give something, so I'll be away for like 5 minutes maybe. At most. Bagsak lahat, pati gold. Hindi ba lumilipad ang Toyota stocks after that booming? Yo boss, may urgent speech si Trump. Really? Saan mo nakita yan? Out of nowhere? Saan mo nakita yan na may urgent speech? That must be serious if ganun. Saan mo nakita? I wanna see it. Ano kaya target doll? Honestly, like, I'm content with the doll already. Ang doll ko lang is up here, really. I'm not expecting much. Especially we're about to enter into a range. Lapit na ako sa stoplight. Wait lang, chat, ha? Someone is gonna... Kailangan kong bigay yung regalo ko dun sa tropa ko. Sabi, yung ano, Alex, ba? Ang dami natin extra na ngayon. Ito lang. Okay, Chad, I am back. Yung friend ko, I met him outside. Tapos binigay niya to. Regalo niya daw sa akin for Christmas. Hindi, actually wala siyang sinabi, but I just assume so. Kasi matagal kami hindi nagkita. So sabi ko, bubuksan ko sa stream. Hindi ko laman ito, but here goes nothing. Ay, kain ng alikabok pa. What the hell? Yes. Ay, nasakit na ng ano ko. Ewan ko. May Gia na to. Hey. Okay. Chat. Guess what this is? Alright, here goes nothing. Uy, ano to? What is this?
Kotse?
I think so. Pero, saan nilalagay ito?
Sa likod.
Ano to?
Sa likod.
Hindi ko ma-figure out.
Ano yan? Box sa likod. Tingin nga.
Baka sa aso!
Kaya nga.
Baka sa aso! Kay Storm! What is this?
Ano ba sabi niya?
Sabi niya, para sa kotse. Oh.
Ito sa likod yan. Compartment.
Compartment? Thanks, okay. Plywood.
Ito yung akin na.
Sa kotse daw, chat. Sa kotse.
Nalagyan natin. Kaya nga.
Pagod ako. Organizer. Organizer yan. Sa comment na si Jim, bilis yung nauwi. Alright.
Bye-bye yan po.
Anong organizer?
Sa ano? Sa compartment.
Organizer, soy? King compartment? I thought, like, kaya, I thought it is dog cage sa backseat. Akala ko, di ba may mga dog cage sa backseat? But yeah, thanks, I appreciate it. Alright, chat. What do we have? What happened? This one is a bit tricky because we're just selling off with no good pullback. Patingin na ng itsura. Para yung mga gamit, no? Okay, okay. Nice. Oh man, this PA is so good, but at the same time, it's so hard to get in at a lower time frame level. What's up, bro? What's up, Asler Club? Pwede naman. Alright. What am I gonna do, chat? I missed a lot of move today. Could not get in. I don't know how else to get in again. I want to give this a shot, but I don't know how to feel about it. Oh. Damn, it's still selling off, chat. Are you able to get in? Finally, naka-watch. Marunong ka na ba mag-drive, bro? Yes, sir. I am. Otan, what's up? Good evening. It's a bit unfortunate. I was away for the market open and the market gave a good opportunity. And basically, the move is already finished, I would say, when I came back. So, a bit disappointed na di ako nakapag-capitalize on the open. Feel like open was a good A+ setup to short from this 15-minute high, 15-minute per value gap. But yeah, market's still going lower. Someone said earlier Trump is speaking, but I could not find it. Speaking today. Is there anyone knows if Trump is speaking today? Paki-link nga. I wanna check it out for sure. I want to join on the short side, but it's just so hard because pag ganito na yung PA, that's when you get the pop, you know? We're in. Anong kahon? Yeah, those pop, kapag nag-short ka dito, that's when they good big retracement, you know. Oh man, brutal for sure. Am I green on the wick? I'm not sure if I am green on the wick today, this week. I think so. I'd like to think na green ako on the wick on my PAs. Maybe you can see a 15-minute gap fill, like retracement into 15 minutes, and then we sell off lower. That's a possibility. We're also about to trade sa NWOG. Wow, on the Nasdaq, we already did trade on the NWOG, actually. NWOG high. NWOG this week. Solid sell-off, chat. Solid sell-off. What would this look like? Damn, 38 points. That's too much. I'm actually green this week, which is nice. I'm still green this week. Majority of it came from Wednesday, which is yesterday, and hopefully I can continue this streak. If wala lang talaga yung last week, which was 3.2k, you know, I would be in a so much good position right now. Still doing good on this PA. So hard to get in, chat. I want to get in, but it's so hard. So hard, man. Keep selling off. Meron ngayon live sa YouTube. Mamaya pa mag-speak si Trump. Mamaya pa pala eh. I thought it is happening right now, which is causing the sell-off. Akala ko yun yung dahilan why this market is selling off. But 430, it's not bad. Like after market, that means yung movement na yun is gonna happen like on the Asia. But look at crypto, chat. Look at crypto. It's getting wrecked right now. Crypto is getting wrecked as F. Holy shit. It's melting down so bad. Crypto is melting down so hard right now.
Hey, Army. No.
But the silver, yeah, it seems like it, huh? And dollar is pushing higher. Silver and gold is getting wrecked. Oh man.
Ayoko na ng ganyan. Ayoko yung ganyan. Yung ganyan. Pangit. Ay. Yung ganyan.
Grabe, no? It's one of those days, man. Look at New York session. It's already down 500 points. It's normal to see a retracement na umaabot ng mga 70 points, 80 points, or even 150. If we get a pop, like trade higher, 150 points move, that could just be a retracement in this environment. And we're trading, yeah, I think we traded sa weekly open already. Not yet, but intra-week low on the YM. All right, interesting. Intra-week low na tayo on YM. It could trade all the way down here sa weekly low. Ang nangyari kay YM was 4-hour level rejected and now it's continuing lower. Wow, insane, chat. Insane. Insane PA. I like it. I love it. Grabe, no? Walang retracement sa 5, walang retracement sa 15. It's just 1 minute. Every bearish, like, for value gap are getting respected. Daming alert, ah. Daming alert na natatag. Yeah, maybe it's finally time for this YM to trade lower. Previous week low. Especially may swing high siya here. We form a good swing high on YM. Maybe it's time to take out this low. Swing high. Gonna be very interesting.
Elephante. Elephante. Elephante.
Kahit yung pullback na hinahanap ko, it didn't happen. Like, I want to see a pullback above here before it's gonna go down. That didn't happen as well, huh? NQ needs to hold this key level or it's going to slice. It's slicing right now as you type in. It's slicing. Look at it. It's dumping. Oh my god, dude. It's insane. I don't understand where the price is going. Yeah, it is in a low resistance liquidity run. Yung a lot of chop and then people are longing Now they're getting wrecked on their stop loss. Nothing is being respected to downside. It's so hard to predict until where the market is gonna go. I was expecting that it's gonna chop from here or at least retrace, but that didn't happen as well. So I don't know. It's hard to know with certainty, like on this day, where is it gonna go, right? We're already down 2%. When was the last time you've seen this candle? Right? Out of 2 months. Maybe ilang beses na nangyari? 1, 2. I don't know, like 3. But yeah, this is crazy. It's already down. Just this AM session alone, like 600 points. I'm not expecting this massive move. At least dito sa daily for value gap, yeah, this one I can say, but this up to this, not at all. It's like, to me, this is overextended already, but the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent, sabi nga. How did you register? BIR, sole proprietor. Yeah, just register. Sole proprietor. Register as business. As your bookkeeper, as your tax advisor for guidance if you're unsure. Grabe to, solid to for top step. Yeah. I think this is kryptonite of prop firms. Ito yung kryptonite ng mga prop firms na walang consistency rule, because people are gonna milk prop firms when price action is like this. This is insane. Of course, it's gonna pull back. Yeah. I don't know. Like, it already dumped 40 points. Since you mentioned it's gonna slice. Pullback to me at this point can be a 100-point move, right? I think if market like trade above like 150 points to the upside, to me, I would consider that a pullback. And I can see it still possibly continuing lower, but look at it. It's going to weekly open. I just said like an hour ago, what are the chances na abot tayo ng 200 points, right? When we were trading about up here, I said, what are the chances na magte-trade sa weekly open? And now we're about to trade in here. Pretty crazy. Tunaw din ang gold. Yeah, crazy. Crazy movement, guys. Crazy movement today. Para maging confident ako to engage, you know, on this PA, at least I want to see a PA na kung saan it would retrace a 5-minute, 1-minute and form the model. Not the way this is trading. Because I know the moment I short here, 50-point candle is gonna pop, right? Even if I wanted to join here, where would I realistically place my stop? We haven't finished the weekly candle yet. We're in doji right now. Doji territory on weekly candle. Oh man, this is insane. Like, oh my god. This is insane, PA. Do, 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 do. Anyway, gotta stay patient, guys. Gotta stay patient. I've been burned enough times to try and long or short this at this level. I need to see a good structure. It's just hard for me to get in right now. Hard for me to get in these, bro. Do, 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 do. Asia low as well. Meron din tayong Asia low from Tuesday, I believe. No, Friday. Friday Asia low. When the market opened, we got a good Asia low. No, we haven't revisited. So this could be the target. Possible intra-week low, which is down here. Could trade all the way down here. But as far as like weekly from January 21, I wouldn't expect that too much. I wouldn't expect that PA. Like new month low. Hindi ako nag-expect na new month low. Which is essentially down here. Yeah, down here. I'm not expecting this. At some point, it's gotta pull back, right? At some point, it's gotta pull back. It's gonna trade above. Kating-kati na, wala pa rin setup lang yan. Honestly, meron naman mga setup eh. Pero ang mga setup na na-present, they are on 1 minute and you need to have a longer stop, right? If you're really bearish, like you can use this inversion, right? You can use this or you can use this. Pero that malayo yung stop mo. Ang problema when we were trading like up here, ang hirap maghanap ng target, right? Ang hirap maghanap ng target na merong reasonable risk to reward. That's the issue. You can short anywhere you want sa mga bearish PD array, right? But the issue is, again, where would you realistically put your target? Diba? What are the chances na when we were up here, we're gonna trade 150 points more when the range is already like 565? This is the biggest range we had in a while. Let the weekly candle close, then we decide where the price go. Because news on war is crazy. Yeah, I'm not anticipating. I don't know. I just want a scalp, dude. I just want a intraday movement. I don't really care what's gonna happen on a weekly candle. This is the weekly candle like distribution happening right now. Like the best setup has been today if you were able to buy higher and ride this wave, if you were able to foresee this ahead of time. This would have been one of the banger days, I would say. We're about to take Asia low on NQ from Friday. Bro, are we not going to really? No way, bro. Kung sabihin abot tayo until monthly open, gonna put some alerts on these levels. Oh my god, this is insane. I've seen a lot of this already, but it's still fascinates me na we can go for a slow grind for too many days, too many weeks, and then on one day we could have this. Freaking insane. Just insane. Don't touch it. It'll sting. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm just waiting for a good pullback, really. We haven't had a good pullback yet. Alright, we already touched the Asia low. Asia low from Friday. Market open. And we're about to touch the monthly open now on ES. Congrats sa bagong car mo, napanood ko vlog. How often ba ang ganitong range? Is it cost FOMC? I personally think this is a mix of FOMC plus earnings from yesterday. Thursday reversal. Solid. Solid, solid, solid. Solid sell-off, guys. Pretty crazy. Alright, even ES right now, we just touched the weekly open and the monthly open. Crazy. Grabe. It's still going, guys. It is still going. How far can we go? How far can we realistically go? I'm pretty sure like many people on X are killing it right now. Many people on X are killing it. I want to see Brian Stonk. Like last Tuesday, Brian Stonk made... Yeah, Brian Stonk made last week 1 million. Or last Tuesday, 1 million across 20 PA. I'm curious what he made today.
We got that 1055 candle.
Hello. Ayan, chat. Yeah, as I was saying, chat, earlier, can you confirm first if meron ng audio? Just want to make sure you guys can hear me before I start speaking again. Look at it, it's still going. Still going, chat. It's still going. Freaking insane. Naririnig nyo na ako, chat. I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. Nice. So, like I said, my idea on that short was 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes for value gap. Tapos, people are anticipating a reversal already off of these two candles. And we are still in a bearish order flow, right? And I'm anticipating now we will form the high on this 1 minute, on this level, on this 5 minute key level. And basically what I did is, when I see these two candles, I know people are gonna be like, oh, this is now gonna reverse, right? Because they think the market is going lower, it's gonna reverse. Well, in reality, it should reverse, but look at this. It's still just going lower. So to me, the higher probability is still on the downside, even though we are already overextended. So what I did was just shorted above here. Basically, people who are anticipating further like continuation on this candle, I shorted that, right? And then put my stop just 12 points above this candle high. And then essentially, when the market goes in my favor, I just trail my stop. Because it's volatile, so it's just 20 points minus commission. But look at it now, it's still going. It's been like 60 points since I shorted. So yeah, I was just stacking base it. I think, guys, I can come back from the drawdown. I was like $900 away, and look at my PNL right now. I think I can make a comeback out of this account. Overall, after today, if I end the day with a $400 profit, this would put me into, this would put me into 1.4 on the week so far. No losing period yet. So still trying to come back from a bad day I had from last week, you know, but overall, the PNL is still good. My win rate is not that good. I have like 40% win rate, but the average win loss is like 1.74. So still positive. I think I can make a comeback on these accounts. My only issue right now is I have 20 reserve. So I can't be billed on this, chat. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-bill dito hindi ako pwedeng mag-bill essentially. Like I can't afford that billing to happen. So yeah, just a few more. Let's see. Malayo-layo pa sila, but I might start sizing on them once again ng 2 contracts. Once maybe I reach 3K. Once I reach 3K, I'll size up again. Risk $500 per trade. Right now, I'm only risking like 200 per trade. So I'm gonna start risking 500 once I get to 3K buffer. Once that happened, hopefully I get a good win streak again and, you know, make a payout out of this accounts. So this accounts, medyo concerning kasi 20 yung reserve ko right now. I was anticipating na mabublow ko sila, but hey, winning is happening. I keep winning this week. Although yesterday was a hard day like FOMC. How will you trade your evals? Medyo pangit PA 2 days straight na. Trump dump talaga tayo, bossing. Yeah, it's dumping. But yeah. Maybe I can make a comeback, chat. I'm feeling it. I think I can make a comeback on this account. Concern ko lang talaga is yung rebill ng mga account, which is $90 per account, and that's gonna sting. 98 times 20, it's like 2K. Just for evals, $2,000. I'm not sure if I'm willing to take that risk. Siguro, kung makapag-payout ako across all of this, willing ako to take the hit on 2K reveal on this. Willing ako ma-reveal ng 2K if makakuha ako ng payout across all of this account. Let's see. Which account is close to payouts? Payouts. Request payouts. Request. Request chart. Which one is closest to payout? 151. I think 151, and which account? Which else? Yeah, 151 lang actually. 151. What's my biggest day on this? Oh wow, I can request already. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days ko ngayon. Okay. 4 days ko sa 151. If eto chat. Account 151. So nag-request ako ng payout last January 15 for 1K. I was on a losing streak. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 days. And ilan yung winning days ko? It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. So 4. 4 ako ngayon. After today, it's gonna be 4 winning days already. And after that, pwede ako mag-request ng 2K. Just one more day. Kasi ano to pang 5 payout ko na dito. I've been trading it since October 8. So $500. Magkano tong payout na to? 2K, another 2K, 2K. So nakaano na ako dito Not bad. I already got 8K payout on this one single account. So if one more day, which is gonna be tomorrow, if makakapag-ano ako ng $50 day, then I can request a payout. 2K again, baby. 2K. So nag-request ako ng isang payout dito sa account 113. Request ko kanina. I requested 4K. Request ko yung buong balance. This one, I've been trading it since when? Since September of last year. So it's gonna be the 6 payout. And 6 payout on Apex, you can request all the payouts you have. So yeah, I requested everything. My mindset is I can just put this on my live account. Tapos dun ko na lang i-trade, instead of letting it run on a prop firm. At least kung ilalagay ko sa live account ko, I can withdraw it anytime. Diba? Although medyo pangit lang yung feels kasi live account yon. Mas maganda pa rin ang feels sa sim, sa demo. But, gotta realize it when you have the chance. Tapos itong mga 150, I've been trading them for 16 days. So far, ilan yung losing days ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 losing days out of 16. So not bad. No consistency rule. Yes, that's correct. Yun lang ba ang downside sa futures na funding sa FPMO kasi wala monthly? Yes. Yun lang yung downside. Yun lang ba downside ng futures funding? May pros and cons. Hindi lang yun. You also have like trailing drawdown, right? You have trailing drawdown that you have to be mindful of. So, you have that. Kailangan mong maging ano doon sa trailing drawdown. Kailangan mong isip-isipin yon. And yeah, there's pros and cons. You can't like swing trade on a futures prop firm. But the good thing about futures is yung leverage. Most CFD will restrict you to 1%. Here, you can risk the whole balance, right? If I want to go crazy, I can risk the whole balance. Walang risk. Kaso yun nga lang, may 30% MAE. But yeah, I'm essentially done for the day. I'm done for the day. Not going to push it. I'd rather have this rather than a red PNL. It's not much. I know I could have made more for sure. Like, we had a good price action, but I gotta get, I have to be satisfied. I almost FOMO'd at market open when I see this market trading here. Grabe. But for Apex, anytime yung eval, no time limit. Yeah, no time limit, but again, you have to pay monthly. You don't want to be paying monthly, right? You want to either pass or fail within a month. Even a week, I would say. Like, a week is plenty of time, right? To pass on Apex with full contract size, you just need a small movement, like very tiny movement. You can pass within 5 seconds. You can also blow it within 5 seconds, for sure. I'm done for the day, chat. Not going to be trading anymore. But I think there's still plenty of opportunity. Don't, yeah, huwag niyong i-mistaken. If I'm gonna trade, I will probably trade itong mga 250k account, which is 179 and 206. All right. Yeah, let's do that. 179 and 206. Kasi yung mga yon sobrang layo sa payout. 206 and 179. Yeah, let's go crazy. 206 and 179. Yeah, let's go crazy with this account. Kasi chat, ito malalayo pa talaga. Sobrang layo pa nila sa payout. So, sobrang layo pa sa buffer. Might as well trade this when there's a good volatility and take full advantage of it. 209, 209, 206, 206, 206. Nice push after we touch yung monthly open and weekly open. So you see, chat, nag-extend tayo all the way down dito sa 30 standard deviation. We traded where? Weekly open and monthly open, right? Anyone who's long since the start of the month, they're now at break even. So imagine if you are an institution na naglong at the monthly open when the year, you are now back to break even essentially. And I think that's what's happening. That's why we had this like sudden retracement. Maybe people are trying to exit their position. I don't know. But yeah, we will see, chat. We will see. We got this 15 minutes imbalance right now. We got an SMT. We form an SMT down here. Nasdaq is leading right now. Nasdaq is leading. We're gonna get a retracement like dito sa upper half ng for value gap na to, but I wanna see it so sudden. I'm willing to trade 5 contracts in here. Willing to trade 5 contracts if we retrace down here. Gusto ko sudden. I want it sudden, like big dump. Two. I-trade ko yung dalawa kong 250k account para din magkaroon ako ng room. I'm going crazy though. I'm going for 5 cons. Is that why pag 90% off, bumibili ka ng full port lang? Yeah, that's the reason why. So, the reason why I'm full porting, no risk management, I still apply my trading, right? Nag-a-apply pa rin ako ng strategy. Discretionary trading, like trading it at 30 seconds, 1 minute, tapos full contracts. So, I still do that. But, walang risk management. Basically, one trade. One trade, it's either I pass or fail it. The way I think about it is business. I'm okay to pay the premium price, right? Okay lang sa akin na magbayad ako ng $500 more, $900 more, as long as I can do it as soon as possible. Because to me, time is very important. I'd rather trade the account seriously kapag nasa PA na, because I'm at a point already na confident ako I can make a payout. There has never been a month na hindi ako nag-take ng payout. Last year, buong month, I was taking payout. Every single month, I was taking payout. There was not a single month last year na hindi ako nakakuha ng payout. So I just, think about it in business perspective. How much did I spend versus how much did I get paid? At the end of the day, to me, that's what's important. Imagine you're trading your eval for like 3 weeks when you can just pass it in 1 day. Don't pass it in 1 day if you haven't experienced what it's like to get a payout. Pero if you're someone who already got a payout, or confident to at least get a payout, I would much say, hey, if you have deep pockets, you have the capability to make eval fast, might as well do that. Isipin mo, para siyang instant PA. Ang instant PA right now is cost like maybe 300, 500, 400, right? 50k account. So here, you might blow 3, you pass 1, you pay like $180. It's almost like an instant PA na may magandang consistency rule. 35. Ang mga instant PA are like 20% consistency rule. We're going higher. As much as I'd like to think that this is gonna reverse fully, to me this is just a retracement. Like if you look at the bigger picture, we're still far, right? Very far from. Yeah, we're still inside this 15-minute gap. Bearish gap. Are you guys green or red? How did you guys do today? We're still getting wild. I'm willing to take some good scalp here if we can get it. Good scalp. Good scalps. Wow. Ooh, that's insane. Typically, I like to be buying those when we see those massive candles. We also form a good SMT between ES and NQ. Between this low, ES form a new low here. That was a good buy right there. Wow. Ooh, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Might trade above here, pero nasa 15-minute gap tayo still. You can touch this 15-minute OB, which is essentially 25721. Yeah, we haven't touched it yet. Oh, but no 100. Are you crazy, bro? Yan lang. Wow, that's insane. Market is moving, guys. Market is moving and providing a lot of opportunity. Volatility is your friend. Di pa ako nagilamos. We form a good 15-minute gap again in here. I think we're gonna trade lower again into this gap dito. Then from here we can determine the bias. If it is gonna trade lower and then push back up, I think we're gonna go higher, but I think we're gonna trade lower here for the most part. I'm gonna trade the 15 seconds. Look for continuation to the downside. Hanap ako ng opportunity to trade this. Gusto ko rin makakita ng SMT on this high. This high seems like a good high to put on SMT for a continuation lower. I'm gonna take a long here. Forget it. I wanna see that low be violated, and then yeah, just a 10-pointer. 10-pointer, baby. Just 10 points. Give me that 10. It moved 5 points already. Bang, right? Just give me that. Give me that 2K USD, baby. Stop, break even. Not gonna let this thing go outside of my favor. Bam, boy. Bam! 5 contracts, baby. When the market is hot, when the market is moving hot, you gotta take advantage. Ooh, it's still going. It's still going. Damn. Oh my god, that's insane. That's like perfect entry. 60 and move 30 points. If I just held for like 10 more seconds, that would have been a 3K trade per account. That's insane, chat. That's insane. That is insane, right? Basically 252K. Should I keep pushing? Should I keep pushing it? Should I keep pushing this? That's just a 10 points. Stop go was here, chat. 51. So that's like 1:1. That's like a good move from 60 to 704. That's insane. 60 to 704 just like that. If nag-hold pa ako, that would have been a 5K trade by now. That's insane, bro. Holy shit. It can get really emotional when market is moving a lot. Back in December, I was trading this amount of size. May buffer ako na tag 15K per account, 10 to 15K per account, chat. And I was trading across 10, 15 account, like tag 5 contracts. And I had P&L swing na umaabot ng 2K, 3K. I'm not taking profits. I'm not taking profits, imagine. With 15 account, I'm up 2K. I'm up 3K. I'm not taking any profits. That's why it was a very emotional roller coaster for me, that December experience. Because I was pushing it. I wanted to get to 100K month. Yun yung gusto kong may experience. I want to know what it's like to be able to get to a level where I get to get a payout of 100K USD in 1 month. And I thought that was the way to do it. Okay, let's trade 15 seconds. This account 206, not gonna lie, it's looking good, right? It has a good, in my opinion, it is a good good drawdown. I still feel like we can trade into this 15 minutes level, which is down here to 650. You see this for value gap? I think that is the next draw, which is down here. So naghahanap lang ako ng good setup where I can find a good structure on a 15 seconds level, micro time frame. So this is an inversion. This could be a short, but yeah, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna let this play out. I think we're gonna drop down into this, even go further lower up to 25625. I can trade less size just to have a bigger stop. Market is hot. Market is hot, chat. I want to see this as a draw. This is my draw on liquidity, this 15-minute per value gap. We just form a good SMT right now. Still like the draw on the bearish side. Order flow is still bearish in my opinion. And I think we can trade lower to this level. 25650 is what I'm looking for. Oh, like you, I do. Oh man. Oh, there you go. It's dumping now. It is dumping. It's dumping. I think we're gonna go down here. I just need a good model. We form a good SMT between ES and NQ to these highs. We just formed that high. I just didn't like the way we displace, right? Gusto ko makakita ng magandang model where I'll be confident to hold it. Boom, that's a big candle. Now I'm more open to short. I want to short now. Like I want to see like if this could be the high. If we get an inversion again to the downside or some kind of bearish FVG to form here, I'm going to short that. I like that. I like that we swept those high very aggressively. So here, right? Although we are stuck in a range, but overall I think we're going to dump lower. Yan, I like this. I want to see it form. Oh no, wala siyang bearish for value gap unfortunately. It's just inversion which I don't like. I want to see it form a bearish FVG sa 15 seconds. I'm gonna short that. It did inverse but we are stuck in a range and inverse in a range is not the best in my opinion. I like that. I like that pop. See now. Once we take out this high, I'm gonna sit on the sideline and evaluate. If we take this high, what I like to see is market to form an SMT on this level dito. We are currently in a consolidation so 1 minute, so it's not the best. Chat, I'll be back. Mag-iilamos lang ako. I'm not sure if I'm willing to take a trade in here yet. I'm gonna wait sa lunch hour and see what's gonna happen. But I think ultimately lunch hour is gonna drop, which is 11:50. Okay, ilamos lang ako and I'll be back. Usap mo lang? Usap mo?
Ikaw mo kung gagawin sa camera.
Bakit? Tuko ko lang, di ko makikita. May charger. Ganda yung mga video niya.
Right.
Usap kaya mga Okay, chat, I'm back. What is happening? Wow, the push back up, huh? I'm gonna sell here. Looking to see that continue lower. Oh, gonna get chopped? Am I gonna get chopped? Looks like it. Well, let's see. I'm gonna see this continue move lower pretty quickly now. No, not doing good. Gonna get stopped, maybe. Hesitant, huh? Not good. One minute does not look good at all, bro. Gonna get stopped in here for... Yeah, I got stopped. Mistake there was trying to... Yeah, this is what I'm saying, right? Hindi ako magaling mag-breakout trade. Should have shorted here, then put my stop to break even once we fell off, but wasn't able to short here, so I chased the price down here, and I got fucked. But yeah, basically I gave back that 1k profit I made. Go back to 5 contracts. All good though. Like I said, I need to trade this account very aggressively, chat, because I got reserves. I got reserves right now. Maybe mag-form tayo ng SMT at this key level. Buy side. If we form an SMT at this key level, we can start to trade back into this 15-minute level. Here, right? I like this level down here. So maybe if we take out this high, form an SMT, then it's gonna be more favorable to short. Maybe. Like you, I do. Steve, what happened to you, my friend? What happened to you, my friend? Did you dump my friend? We're just chopping right now. Not really going anywhere. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm gonna stay for 10 more minutes or 20 more minutes. Slowly grinding to the upside right now. 200 points retracement so far. I like you. I do. Futures playlist. YouTube channel go. Oh man. It's moving, but not quite a lot, chat. Might call it a day within the next 10 to 20 minutes if no setup still is presented. Usually yung first 10 minutes, tsaka last 10 minutes, ng hourly candle would usually give some kind of opportunity, but this one is just not doing it, so not sure if we're gonna take this high, but we're consolidating a lot, chat. We're consolidating a lot. So 15 seconds right now. Not sure if it is even worth it doing the 15 seconds. Because it's just up and down 10 points. 30 points. Up and down 10. Like you, I do. I still think we're gonna move sa 15 minutes bearish for value gap or bullish for value gap BC. I still think, chat, we're gonna move into this gap at maybe we just form a high here, swing high from this point on. Let's prefer sana if we get an SMT like I've been saying up here. But if we get it on the YM, I guess that would be enough. Just this 10-15 high, if I'm not mistaken. This would be the 10-15 high. What time is this? 1031. Actually, 1031. So, I'm already delivered, I would say. Yeah, mas maganda pa rin talagang compare ang ES sa NQ. ES on NQ. Ranging, chat, ranging. Are you still trading, chat? Isa na lang yung nagsasalita sa chat. Are you still guys around? Solid Lamborghini Revuelto. Chat, ano pinakamagandang Lamborghini na model? Para sa inyo. Ano Lamborghini ang maganda na model, chat? What's the best Lamborghini model you could think of? Yung Tesla sa Pilipinas are still overpriced. Like, yung price ng mga Tesla are still like 2 point something M, which is pretty crazy. How much is that in USD? 250,000 USD to PHP. 45,000 USD. 40,000 USD to PHP. Yeah, 40k USD pa rin ang mga second-hand na Tesla, which is insane. Sa US, you could get a Tesla for 20k, I think. 20k USD. Sa Pilipinas, sobrang mahal. Despite them depreciating so much sa ibang bansa. Tesla, man. Tesla. Still so expensive. Huracan, SVJ, Gigante exhaust. Okay, let's do that, okay? Habang nag-aantay tayo ng good price action, I'm gonna search your suggestions, chat. Definitely Huracan. Lamborghini Huracan. Maybe, chat, just maybe, if I get to a point that I made 1M USD this year, I would buy one. Kung aabot akong 1M USD, I would buy. Yeah, definitely. Huracan is definitely on the books. Ano pa? SVJ Gigante exhaust. SVJ Gigante exhaust. Gigante. Parang same lang ng Huracan. Ano SVJ? Ano SVJ? What does it stand for? Pero yeah, it's sick, chat. So, I'm bumili ng Lambo. I could sell courses, chat. Courses is gonna be so easy. Kapag may Lambo ako. Pero parang walang brand yun, no, sa Pilipinas. It seems like they're all second-hand. Which also makes sense. Angas nito, gantong kulay. But if I get a Lambo, I want pink. Pink Lambo. Crump speaking, bro. Yeah. The reason why I'm trading, chat, kaya ako nagtitrade, because as I've said, malayo tong mga to, right? 250k account are very far from profit or anything like buffer, and I have reserve. Kung wala akong reserve, I wouldn't trade this account anymore. But because we have a good volatility and I have a reserve, I'm gonna keep trading on them. Super Huracan. Yeah, how much? Lamborghini Huracan. Prices. San yung alam yung nakakabili ng ganito? Anong website bumibili ng mga ganito, chat? Can you like let me know? I feel like they're expensive though. If I get the chance. Naglag. Pucha, ang dami kong tab, naglag. Meron ako nasa Forza Horizon 5. Zig wheels. How much is this? Ba't walang price? I think mostly secondhand. Like it's hard to find a brand new. And I don't think it's best to buy brand new, to be honest. Price. Okay, price. Get exclusive promos. Email yan ang pucha. Angeles City. Manila. Sige, Manila, let's say. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. View offers. Wala, hindi naka-public yung mga prices. But here are the available. This one, how much is this? Pangit, di ko trip to. Para Huracan, di ko trip to. Evo Spider, di ko trip. Priceless. I think ang mga Lambo are like around 300k USD. If I get a Mille this year, I would buy one. The PHP. 17 million. Oh my god. Look, chat. So, titingnan mo, right? 16M for a 2016. 2016, chat. 16M. Although, ilan pa lang to? 10km, so not bad. This one, 32M, almost brand new. Twice the price. So 8K 2020, but it feels, yeah, not bad. Solid ito. Angas. Anong Lamborghini ito? Huracan Evo. Magkano kaya mga brand new nito, no? Sa mga Lamborghini store talaga. I believe sa BGC meron, chat. Alam ko may Lamborghini sa BGC eh. Pero prices are not like disclosed if I'm correct. Price are not disclosed. Solid though, 16M. How much is 16M? 16,000 16 million HP to USD. Yeah, 270k, chat. 270k. I think that's doable. But, I don't know. I'll go broke. Right now, I can afford it. Like, in honest to God, I don't have a 16M with me. Nagsasalita si Trump kanina pa, but hindi ko makita YouTube na nagsasalita siya. Maybe that's why it's so volatile, huh? Talaga, wala kasi akong alam sa sports car. But what's a good alternative for sports car? Gusto ko rin Porsche GT3 RS. Porsche GT3 RS. This one, I like it as well. Parang it looks good. Especially ito. Mga gantong style. It's sick. Ang ganda ng, yeah, it's just nice. Porsche GT3 RS. 16M, so almost. Parang mata, no? Parang mata yung ano niya. Porsche Taycan. Merong electric car na solid oh, ganito yung masarap, shit. Angas, di ba? Parang Taycan. Yung Taycan, yung electric version eh. Solid. Hopefully, chat, I can afford them someday. Actually, I will. I will afford them someday. I know it. I know it's gonna happen. As long as prop firms are still around, trading is still around, the world is not fucked up. I can afford them someday. Somewhere, someday, maybe it's gonna make it happen. Somewhere, someday. Gonna hopefully make it happen. Rusi na Lambo, mura lang po. What is Rusi? Rusi Lamborghini Rusi? Ah, ayoko sila. Para silang SUV. Ay, Urus to. Lamborghini Urus. Rusi na motor. AI mode. Lamborghini. Ilang consistent 20k payout lang yan. Kayang-kaya yan. Yeah, but the thing is, right, when you already have the money, right, I can say this now, but if afford ko na sila, I don't know if I'm even gonna buy it. Because, to be honest, it's stupid to buy it, you know? You know what I mean? Like, there's no reason to buy a supercar unless you're super rich. Baka pag-initan pa ako ng gobyerno. Baka akala nila illegal ang ginagawa ko sa mundo. Baka pag-initan pa ako ng gobyerno, chat. Imagine, I'm the only one in Angeles City na merong Lambo na ginagamit pang mall, ginagamit somewhere. Imagine, I drive around Angeles City to buy Starbucks. People are gonna think I'm crazy rich. Kaso ang taas ang kalaban sa Pinas, yeah. You'll get taxed for sure. Ito. Uy, ang angas nito. Huracan talaga, no? Huracan. STO. Pinaka gusto ko STO so far. STO so far yung nag-i-stand out sa akin. Gusto ko yung may ganyan sa likod, oh. It's so... Shit. Models. Baka sabihin. Models. Vuelto. Parang maganda rin to, Vuelto. Ay, hindi. Parang basic ang Vuelto, no? Parang ito yata yung, ano, pinaka-basic, if I'm not mistaken. What about Urus? Yan, F this. Urus, no way, bro. Huracan talaga. Huracan STO is the best for me. Limited series. What is limited series? Vuelto. Parang ito yung pinaka basic. I think ito yung pinaka mura sa Lambo. Right? Vuelto. Nag-i-stand out sa akin yung STO talaga. Pre-owned. Tingin tayo sa pre-owned. Find used car. Sa Pilipinas ba to? Find pre-owned. Find used car. Dealership. Sa Pilipinas ba meron? Lamborghini. Oh, pre-owned. Select models. San Jose. Pucha, San Jose agad, oh. Yung ano kung saan yung flood control. Flood control I. Yung sila. Sino kasi yan yung mga sa government, yung mga recently mga nakulong. I want closest eye. Refine search. But wala. Wala man. Available Lamborghini pre-owned vehicle for sale. No result. What the fuck, man? Lamborghini pre-owned Philippines. Select models. Wala naman. Oh. Oh, solid to, STO. So, siguro, ito na. It's official. This is my dream car. Lamborghini STO. How much is it again? Lamborghini Huracan STO. Price, Philippines. Wait, 15M. Not bad, not bad. 15M. Kanina may nakita ko, it's like 32. So, auto pass tayo doon, boss. No way I'm gonna spend like 32M for a car. Yeah, this is gonna be my dream car, chat. Dream car. Kung BGC lang yan, boss, di ganun kaganda ang mga kalsada sa Pinas para sa supercars eh. Yeah, we have Clark though. Clark is good. Benta ko ng course to. Parcel, baby! Tapos gagawa na ako ng mga IRL videos. Feeling ko walang nagbebenta ng ano. Huracan. Lamborghini STJ. Ito yung sinasabi nyo. STJ. 10 lang. 10 units globally. Yaman siguro ng mga CEO ng mga to, no? Too late. Ito pala, Donald Trump. Pero wala akong makitang ano, chat. Sa YouTube na nagsasalita si Trump. Marriott is going higher. But yeah, I don't know, chat. I don't know what I'm gonna want in the future. It took me a while to buy a car. Imagine, I've been making multiple M's last year and ngayon lang ako bumili ng car. Tapos second hand pa na worth 400k. I'm not sure if I'll be buying one. I want one, pero di ko alam if, you know, I have to be realistic because what I earn is not gonna be forever, you know? Like, prop firms are here to stay, but, you know, I could, if I ever get a chance to make 500k with Apex or 1M, baka maban na ako before that even happened. Pag naban ako with Apex, majority of my income is not gonna be around anymore because 80% of my payout is coming from Apex. We're trading higher, huh? Trading higher. Let's keep going higher, chat. We're gonna call it a day, chat. Inaantok na ako. Thank you for watching. I'm up like, I think 8k or 7k something. Calling it a day here. Take it one day at a time, and hopefully I can make a comeback on this account. So far I'm green on the wick. I'm up 1.4k per account. Last week was down 3.2k, which was so bad. So just taking it one day at a time, and hopefully I can make a comeback. So thank you for staying with me, chat, and appreciate you all. I had 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. So yeah, thank you, chat, and I'll see you again tomorrow, same time, and see you on the Discord as well. If you want to buy some accounts, use the code down below in the description. Code drone baby for the best discount. Use my code so I can buy Lambo, chat. I'm tired of trading. Pagod na ako mag-trade inside sa ulo, so I need to make as much as money possible. As much as money possible. Oh, yeah. See you, chat, and peace out. Bye-bye.